Unblur your videos, Android edition.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to fix blurry videos on your Android device. If you're struggling with video quality, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process, making it easy and accessible for everyone.
Why are my videos blurry?
Sometimes, when you shoot or play back videos on your Android device, they might appear blurry. There could be several reasons for this. 1. Low resolution. The video was recorded at a low resolution or compressed too much. 2. Incorrect focus. The camera's focus might not be set correctly. 3. Playback issues. The video player might be struggling with high-resolution videos. Don't worry, though, as there are methods to fix this issue.
How can I improve my video recording?
The first step to prevent blurry videos is to improve your video recording techniques. Here are some tips. 1. Stabilize your device. Use a tripod or prop your device against a steady object to avoid shaking. 2. Clean your camera lens. Make sure your lens is clean and clear of smudges. 3. Set the focus. Touch the screen where you want the camera to focus before you start recording. 4. Adjust video quality settings. Use the highest quality setting possible.
How can I fix existing blurry videos?
If your video is already recorded and it's blurry, there are several ways to enhance it. 1. Video editing apps. Apps like Adobe Premiere Rush, Power Director, and others offer options to improve the quality of your video, including sharpness adjustments. 2. Professional video enhancing software. For more significant improvements, you might consider professional video editing software that offers advanced features for video enhancement. This may require transferring your videos to a computer. 3. AI-powered video enhancing. AI has made strides in the field of video enhancement. Some apps use AI to analyze the video and automatically apply enhancements. Remember, it's essential to always back up your original videos before you start editing them to avoid any accidental loss. And that's it for this tutorial. With these tips, you should be well on your way to improving the quality of your videos. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Happy filming!